Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com. I'm super excited as I am releasing the second card class out of the 2025 Christmas card class series. As you can see, this class features the Tractor and Co., which is this one. This is the bundle that we're using, and of course you do need to have this bundle to make your cards, because I won't be including any of the pieces on your kit. You will have to have the kit. I'll send you the cardstock, but you will have to stamp and die cut and assemble of those pieces. All right. So anyway, so this is the bundle that we're featuring for this month. One other thing that I want to make sure you know is that this one, while this set has one sentiment for Christmas, this is the season greetings, I decided to pair it with a set that we've used on our Christmas in July card class, which is the Jolly Holy. And I decided to use this one as well as this other sentiment for the inside of the card. Now, you can substitute with any other set that you have. I'm just telling you which one I've used. This is, by the way, a hybrid bundle. Again, we've used it on our Christmas in July. And this is the one that has the embossing folder, the dies to cut out and emboss at the same time, and then some other labels that are going to help you cut out some of the images on this set. I will add on the registration link an option to add either the stamp set or both, the bundle, if case you want to have it. Again, this is the one that cut out all your holies. Let me just show you another card, which was from the Christmas in July. As you can see here, I don't know that you can see it because I have it, but it cuts out the, here maybe another one. This one might be better. It embosses the designer series paper. So it's, sorry, the cardstock. So it's really cool one if you don't have it. But anyway, so I'll add that option, but please know this is more optional because I'm sure you might already have some other stamp set with sentiments for Christmas that you can use for these cards. I just decided that instead of only having season greetings, I wanted to have other options for my sentiments. So anyway, so that's the one. And again, it's optional, but I will be adding those in the registration link in case you want to have exactly the one that I am using in this class, in case you don't have it. All right. So as always, I have the two options. The first option is for those of you who want to get everything, meaning the cardstock already cut out, the labels ready to go. Like I said, anything that has to do from the bundle, you have to cut out yourself. But I'll provide all the cardstock, the foil paper, whatever you need to make sure that you can assemble your cards. You'll also be getting half a pack of the Nest of Winter designer series paper, which is this one. And again, you'll get a piece that is 6 by 12, and you also get a full pack of the Drosy embellishments as well as a full spool of the white ribbon. Okay, this is for you to complete your cards, and that option is going to be $75 already with shipping. For those of you who have already everything, and you know, you already have the paper, the cardstock, the bundle, you just want instructions, or maybe you are in a different region, maybe you're in Canada, you can still get the tutorial, and it is $20 to get a tutorial. Now the tutorials come with the picture of the cards as well as measurements, and then also a link to a video tutorial and a full supply list. That way you know exactly which products and colors I've used. Please know that I do like sending video tutorials because I feel like I can show you more tips as to how to assemble your cards, and you're gonna see a step-by-step how I made them. All right, so I also provide one video where I actually just go over how to stamp and cut out and assemble the little tractors and wagons from this card class. All right, so now both options are available under the link, under the registration, the description of this video. So it is below here. Just go and look for that registration link. You can select the option to get the make and take kit. Again, that's $75, or just the tutorial, which is $20. And you also have the option to add the oh my gosh, the stamp set or the bundle for this card class, as well as the sentiment stamp set or bundle, to have the same as this one. So anyway, so make sure you go under the description of this video, check that link, the registration link, and select which options you want to be getting, and I'll see you in this card class. After the class is mailed, I typically put the tutorial on my store, so you can check out the past card classes under creatingwithali.com/shop, and I'll put here on this corner the link for you to check it. because once I mail the class, likely that's when I am uploaded into my website for the sale of the tutorial. But if you want to make sure that you get a tutorial before it hits that shop, make sure you register to get the tutorial. That's my pre-sale, if you will. That way you don't have to be checking when I upload it. You just get it whenever I mail the card class. All right, so hopefully it's all clear. But if you have any questions, make sure you email me at Ali@creatingwithali. And also, if you want to get the links to register to the card classes on a regular basis, make sure you're on my mailing list, because that's where I share all the information about my weekly card classes, about the Christmas stamp stacks, and any other sale or promotion that I have going on. So anyway, I appreciate you being here, and I hope to see you inside this card class. Bye for now.